How to make black pepper noodle. This easy and fun noodles recipe takes just 15 minutes to make from scratch. This black pepper noodles recipe is one of the best and easiest noodles recipes of all time. Ingredients: A. 2-pack noodles. B. Sauce: a 1/4 cup dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1/2 cup honey, 6 cloves garlic minced, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoon water to make slurry, 2 tablespoon cracked black pepper. C. Garnish: 1 tablespoon cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Instructions: 1. Cook the noodles. Cook the noodles as per package directions. Or bring a pot of water to boil. As the water boils, add the noodles and cook until al dente. After that, drain the water and keep the noodles aside. 2. Make the black pepper sauce. In a mixing jar, combine all the sauce ingredients and whisk until combined. Dark soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, sesame oil, minced garlic, chopped ginger, cracked black pepper. Make cornstarch slurry by combining cornstarch and water. Pour this in the sauce mixture. Whisk to combine. 3. Make the noodles. Heat sesame oil in a pan. As the oil shimmers, add the noodles and toss until fried for 2 minutes over high heat. Next, pour the sauce over the noodles. Toss to combine. 4. Garnish and serve. Garnish with sesame seeds and cracked black pepper. Serve immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.